Najafgarh Jheel. The Najafgarh Jheel is the area where the excess water and the drain water comes from the whole Gurugram city. This jheel acts as a catchment area, which means an area of land where the surface water from rainfall flow into a lower elevation to form a single body of water. That may be a lake or a river. Water accumulates here from the Aravalis of Ghata village and Faridabad road, which was earlier used for irrigation purposes by the surrounding agriculturists. The excess water so collected in the Najafgarh drain is then turned away in Yamuna river, which is taken care by Delhi administration. It is pertinent to mention here that the water that accumulates in the catchment area is the inhabitant water coming from different parts of Haryana state, that is Gurugram, Jhajjar and Rohtak, which is ultimately drained into Yamuna river, Delhi. In Gurugram, the water comes from hills surrounding Gurugram Faridabad road, newly developed Gurugram or Trans Highway parts of Gurugram. For proper drain of this area, there are three main drains along with other small drains which carry storm water of Gurugram city, which are as follows. First drain originates near Sikandarpur metro station and meets at Najafgarh drain near Bajghera. This has very low impact on Jheel. Second originates from Sushant Lok near Vyapar Kendra and passes through sector 29, 14, 17 and 5 Palam Vihar village, crosses highway track Dharampur and finally meets at Najafgarh drain, which is a Pakka underground box type drain near the Jheel area. The third drain originates from Faridabad Gurgaon road, which passes through Golf Extension road, wherein many other drains merge into it at Vatika intersection Chowk at Sohna Gurgaon road. From there, it follows towards the Marble Market sector 33/34, National Highway 48 near Khansa Patodi Gurgaon road near village Gadoli. Further meets at the junction with HSIIDC Nala under railway crossing near bridge at NPR sector 102 near Dhankot traffic intersection light. One more drain from HSIIDC Manesar meets at the same junction under railway line and flows into common drain after crossing NPR. A combined single drain is still the Najafgarh drain or Jheel passing through Dhankot and area of Kherki Majra. Further, there are several small water cracks in Nathupur, Ghata village and Sikandarpur area, whose water flows into the HSIIDC and Badshahpur drain, which merges with the main drain. A small treated water disposal drain from STP Dhanwapur also flows in the same direction parallelly, which is 500 meters away from this drain, and the water of this drain is diverted towards Jhajjar through aqueduct or regulator through this main drain. The water from Badshahpur drain and HSIIDC drain follows into the Najafgarh drain. It is pertinent to mention here that this accumulated water includes drainage of inhabitants of city and rainwater or storm water from jungle or hills and villages into these areas of fields surrounding Gurugram. It is also submitted that a drain is also coming from Jhajjar towards Najafgarh drain, and due to this also water level has grown up, and also because of improper management of drainage by Delhi at the merging point, the water overflows. There is already a band at the Delhi border, due to which all the water accumulates towards Haryana state and the agricultural land of Haryana is rendered waste. In dry season, people use the water of drain for irrigation purpose also. The Environment and Climate Change Department of Haryana has assigned the job to HIRMI, Haryana Irrigation Research and Management Institute, in March 2019 regarding preparation of documents for notification of wetland in consultation with Delhi government. Effects of discharge and accumulation of water. It is worth mentioning that the area being utilized for construction of drainage is connected with three different legs of drainage, one of which is coming from Rohtak and Jhajjar. The study of available data by GMDA reveals that at 209-meter contour level, maximum area of submergence during the post-monsoon period was recorded at 12,871 acres in the year 1977, whereas the minimum submergence was of 582.76 acres in 2011. On the other hand, in lean season, submergence of 177 acres was recorded on 29th June 2012 as per GMDA record. It is further informed that, as mentioned above, a huge portion of land submerges every year due to seepage of water in the low-lying waterlogged area of Najafgarh. That, due to accumulation of water and submergence of the landowners are unable to utilize the land for agricultural purposes. It is informed that the accumulation of water due to discharge is affecting the adjoining area of Sector 99, 102 and 102A Gurugram. Further, the fact cannot be ignored that during normal monsoon, as was witnessed in the year 2019, more area of land is likely to be affected and the possibility of risk to Dhankot power grid plant adjoining the affected area cannot be ruled out. Benefits of declaring the land as wetland. Wetland means land or areas such as marshes or swamps that are often covered intermittently with shallow water or have soil saturated with moisture. Declaration of the area as wetland will also increase ecological tourism and is further good for maintaining climate balance. They play an important role in fighting climate change, essential for protecting and preserving the ecological balance to ensure mitigation of air and water pollutions. Further, it may be ensured that only good quality of water is drained in the Jheel. Wetlands function like a sponge, soaking up water that comes in with the tides or from periodically flooding rivers. In fact, they control floods much more effectively and efficiently than any flood wall. The matter of cleaning Najafgarh drain may also be taken up with the Delhi government by Irrigation and Water Resources Department for enhancing the water carrying capacity of Najafgarh drain. As per the study available, it can be seen that more and more area of land is being submerged due to accumulation of water in the low-lying area of Najafgarh Jheel. Hence, the loss to the landowners as well as to the government can be avoided only if the land is declared as wetland.